back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I have a new skincare haul with me. Some of these products are like extremely new and some I have been using for some time now. So I just decided to pile them up all in one video and let's get started. I feel like I have literally the biggest pimple right now. Trust me, whenever I go on and do a skincare video or I decide to do a skincare video, random pimple just pops up. You guys tell me I have good skin, so you can see that I do get pimples as well. Although I have all the products that can erase these pimples, sometimes they just don't want to go away. Anyway, let's just move into the video. So the first thing that I have here is the Minimalist. It's a product from Minimalist. I have been using it for quite some time, so I do have a good review of this product. I remember starting my channel by reviewing Minimalist product. This just takes me back. But anyway, this is the HOCl Skin Relief Spray. Now this is for your face and body. What I like about this is the texture. Look at the bottle. First of all, it's a big bottle. And I like to use this after coming from the gym, after shaving my face, whenever I feel like I might get a little bit of acne. Then I use this. It almost like kills the acne causing bacteria and it stops your acne flare up as well. Like if you have a little bit of texture coming up and you know there is a stage where you know that the acne is going to come up, and that if you use it at that time, your acne, it will get reduced up to a certain extent. Like for me right now, I knew that I would get a lot of acne flare up in this region. I don't know, for some reason. And then I used this and it did really make them go away. This also supports skin barrier. For example, if you are someone who are using a lot of skincare products and your skin barrier is damaged, this is going to help you soothe your skin. And this has only 3 ingredients. It has water, it has sodium chloride and Hypochlorous acid. So these are the only 3 ingredients present in this spray. It's simple, it's very minimal, but it works really good. So the next product I have is again like a toner, I would say. So this is from Face Skin, and oh my god, I love Face Skin. And probably, if I'm not wrong, this is one of the first Milky Toners that is available here in India. We have seen Milky Toners before. Tir has, made their Milky Toner hype up so much, and I have the Tir one. Let me tell you, the Fay Beauty one is just as good as the Tir one. The Korean beauty market is saturated with Milky Toners, which are very hydrating, full of ceramides. Whenever you layer a Milky Toner, you really don't have to go in with another layer of serum. It's that, it's going to give your skin that glow, that nourishment, that hydration, and this does exactly that. This did not irritate my skin at all. I have been using this before makeup, before going to bed, in my morning time skincare routine. This does not feel heavy. The texture is very watery and milky, and at the same time, sometimes I will layer 2 layers of this toner. Like I'll put on the first layer, let it sink in, and then go in with another layer, and then I use a moisturizer, and that's it. That's when I like to keep my skincare routine very minimal. I have been using this almost like about 2 weeks here and there, along with the Minimal. So these are Minimalist toner. These are the 2 toners that I have been using side by side. But of course, they both are for different purposes. For example, the Fay Beauty is for glowing, hydrated, glass skin effect. If you want that, go for the Fay Beauty one. It's an amazing Indian brand. I love it so much. So the next product we have here is again from one of our favorite Indian brand, which is Foxtale. Now this is a very, very new product in my routine. And this one, it's been just 2 or 3 days that I got this. I've been using it. So this is the Niacinamide Clarifying Serum. Now this one has 12% niacinamide in it. So this is not for beginners. If you are someone who just want to try out a niacinamide serum, go for a 5%. Do not go for 12%. But this one has 12% niacinamide. It has azelaic acid as well, which is a very good antioxidant. And I love the fact that this is so lightweight on the skin. I'm again still not sure how it's going to perform because it's just been 2 days. I love the texture so far. I love the texture, and yeah, this has a little bit of fragrance. That's what I would say, that Foxtale need to come up with fragrance-free skincare product. Like, although this does not irritate me, I have heard a lot of people get irritated because of the fragrance present in the Foxtale products. I just wish that they make all of their skincare products fragrance free, because that would be amazing, because their products work so great on my skin. But I do know that a lot of people don't like it anyway. So next one we have here, again, all of these I feel like are such winter skincare essentials for me. That's why I got most of these products, because now the weather is not warm anymore, it's not hot. We are moving into the winter season, so I, as someone who have dry skin, I need all these products in my routine. So this is the Mochi Emulsion Ceramide. This is actually a moisturizer. Look at how big this is. This is going to last you maybe like a whole year, I would say, if you don't apply this on your body. I personally am going to apply this on my body as well, because I really love the consistency. This is not too thick. When I got this, I thought it was going to be so thick, but it's not too thick. I would pair this up with the toner, the Fay Beauty Milky Toner, and the ceramide. This has a lot of ceramides in it, so this is really good for your skin barrier, again giving it a glow, nourishment. This is actually very affordable as well. When you consider the price and the amount of product that you're getting, this is quite affordable. So I personally do really love it, and I have been using it for quite some time. Absolutely a gem. So the next product we have here is from Dot & Key. Now this one is a new release, and I actually got to try this before release because I was going to create a content with them anyway. So I got this product and I was like, let me just try it out. The first time I used it, I was like, oh my god, this is so good. You don't need a lot of product with this. I don't like to use it right now in the morning time. This is mostly a night moisturizer that I have been reaching for because of the consistency. It is a thick moisturizer, mostly on the thicker side. So if you're someone who have dry skin, you're absolutely going to like it. It has niacinamide and peptides as well. The best thing I like about Dot & Key right now is that I feel like they have listened to us. They made all their products fragrance free, mostly all their products, I think. Yeah, this one does not have any fragrance, so that's what I like about this, is because, you know, whenever you're applying this, you don't get a lot of fragrance. And when it comes to moisturizers, especially night moisturizers, I don't like to use a ton of fragrance in them, so that's great. It almost feels like a thick moisturizer and a lotion mixed in together. The consistency is super good whenever you're using this. Again, this is going to give you a very nice glass skin effect, which is what I always look for whenever I'm using creams at night. Another best thing about this is that Dot & Key asks me to use this, try and use this as a makeup remover. So, you know, if you're in a hurry, you forgot to pack your makeup remover, this can act as a makeup remover as well, because it has very emollient sort of texture to it. What it does is that if you apply this on top of your makeup with a little bit of water, this actually melts in all your makeup and this removes it. So I definitely am not going to use it solely as a makeup remover, because obviously I have my other oil cleansers for that. But if I'm sometimes in a hurry, or if I'm packing for a vacation, I don't need to carry an extra makeup remover, because this actually does remove my makeup pretty well. So yeah, this is a very nice all-rounder product that I really have been loving a lot. So the last product I have here is the Derma Co hair growth serum. Now I feel like every Indian brand is coming up with their own hair growth serum. I mostly love all of them because they do really work. I feel like for me, except one or two, I do really like all of them. For me, it has to do with the texture. So for example, I would say if the texture of the hair growth serum is a little bit on the sticky side where I have to wash it the next day, I'm not using it, because I don't wash my hair every single day. So this one, I feel like this does not give me any sticky sort of residue. It's great. It absorbs into my scalp really nicely. I have used this only twice, so I cannot again comment on the performance of this. Overall, I like the texture. I have been using it just once, you know, before going to bed. I'll just spray this on my scalp, massage it in really nicely, and just go to sleep. The next morning, I feel like this does not feel like you have anything on your scalp. Does not make your hair sticky, uncomfortable, none of that. So at least I will say that that's really good about this product. Other than that, let's see if this works. And yeah, I have some other hair growth serums also that I need to test out. So I'll just keep on using this and maybe give you guys a review after after 2 months. So anyway, that was it for today's video. If you guys want some in-depth review of the products that I showed you guys, let me know about it. Mostly I like all the products except the Foxtale one. Right now I don't have any comment on this and the Derma Co. Other than that, all of these are my favorites anyway. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if there is any skincare product in the market that you would want me to try out, and I'll see about it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.